Hi guys, Rob again here. I want to give you an introduction to a new tool I've been working on called ditbi for designing in the browser interactively, something we're all trying to learn how to do. And I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how this thing works. And let's just go ahead and clone this baby. So you're going to need to pass the recursive switch, and I've got it here in my cache. There we go. If you look at the end of this command, it's dash recursive, and that's going to clone the repo, but also any submodules I have. And this uses Color Me Sass as a submodule and also Zerb's Foundation. It's actually optimized to work with Foundation, although you can use it with Twitter Bootstrap. There you can see Color Me Sass and Foundation are getting pulled in. We'll just fast forward the video, and we've got those. We're going to CD into ditbi and just open up the index page. You don't even need to put this behind a server, well, at least not at this point. And so you've got a basic kind of style tile sheet to look at your typography and colors. And the nice thing here is we can actually update these colors and preview them immediately. So let's pick a different primary color for blue. I like that blue duller. And these values here that you see are from the Color Me Sass submodule we pulled in. And if I wanted to, I could type in a literal, hexadecimal value or something like red, green, and that would work too. But this makes it easy to sort of zip around and see. For example, I just want to find a tan and maybe set my title to a nice sans serif font family stack. And I can just quickly preview these things and get a general feel for what it's going to look like in real time. This is just sort of a first step to doing, maybe your design process. It's not meant to do the whole thing for you, but from there I can actually export these settings. And if you're using Zerb Foundation, you can just cut and paste these values and then put them into the settings partials. The directions there. We're just moving a little fast, but that's in the Sass partials _ settings overrides file, and I'm just going to paste those in here. And I'm going to compass compile those. Normally you'd have a compass watch going in another tab, and it would all happen automatically, but now we can just view the style guide, and if I refresh, there's that tan background. Let's zip down to the buttons, and we should see the customized choices. Yep, that's that duller blue that I chose. And this is the sort of a kitchen sink of Zerb Foundation. They actually have a kitchen sink page. It's a little bit different, but let's say we decide, well, let's start over. I don't like that. Let's go for purple primary buttons. Just to show you how fast this sort of workflow is, we're just going to choose something that's obvious for when we export these. We're going to cut and paste these in over again, and then let's open that file back up, replace the other settings with the purple primary button and green background, and compile it, go back over to the style guide, and there it is. There's our purple primary button. So it's a really fast tool for kind of doing your first of maybe 3 steps of your design workflow. It doesn't do layout or anything like that for you, but it's on my Rob Levin Tennis ditbi on the GitHubs, and clone it, play with it, and directions are there.